Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. Just pop some clear wax down onto the hot plate, then that will help you to secure your background. Then I'm just going to put some clear wax on to my painting card, pretty much all over. This just helps with the heat and to stop the waxes evaporating too much. Some blues. Then I'm just going to roll that all together, just blend it up and see what we get. And I'm not worried that it's picking up some of the edge colour. So we've got quite a nice sky area there. I'm just going to take one of my little brushes that I've used with green. So I'm just going to melt myself a bit more green. Load up my brush again. I'm barely tapping the brush to the surface. Just making a little fancy image, a bit like a castle. It's quite big. And then what I'm going to do is just use the brush to move some of this blue around, making a bit of a path type area. Then a bit of green over here. Just again, I'm just sort of bouncing the brush along. I'm not brushing with it as such. Just making a nice tree shape here. Creating a little fantasy place. Just thicken up the tree a little bit. So the tree stands at the end of the path. So that's like one world, if you like, within our picture. So I'm just going to put a little bit of white wax down here. Then blend it with a bit of tissue in a minute, because it's going to represent water, give the look of. Now if that happens to you when your picture twists and you end up with a scrapey bit, just go back over, pushing in a straight line. Straight lines will always represent water, or almost always. Keeping your lines parallel to your card. Then down here, I just want to add bits of blue and even a bit of green here. A little bit of clear wax. Then just going to blend by dabbing that big harsh line out. I'm just going to literally again take the green that we had before, just warm the brush back up. And then just take it and that's doing it. This gives the appearance of a grass-like thing with the water, and then I'm just going to carry on and do some more at the bottom. I have done that blending. I'm now just bouncing my brush around to give like a stippled effect of grassy type stuff. Don't forget, it's like a fantasy type place, so it's somewhere that's been a bit forgotten about. Bit of a path as if people have walked through, but somewhat forgotten about, not really cared for. We've all got areas around and about that are like that. It's a little fantasy scene. wax on the compact hot plate using A5 card. A little paintbrush. The size of the brush is the Encaustic Art number 8. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.